Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Brown Eyes on the Budget, and today we're going to be making an easy DIY, which is this right here, you guys. This beautiful splatter screen pumpkin. This is so easy to make, and I don't know if anyone has been seeing this pumpkin float around the internet or not, but Lord, I have seen it everywhere, and I said, you know what, I give up. I'm going to try and attempt to make this pumpkin. So this is the first one I made right here. So I'm going to make one with you guys. So if you're interested in learning how simple it is to make, then y'all stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so what you're going to need, you're going to need your 3 splatter screens from Dollar Tree, your big large splatter screens from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some wire cutters, some wire, and some embellishments if you want to embellish your pumpkin. You're also going to need some type of spray paint. This is the first spray paint that I used on my first pumpkin, which is Cobra right here. And then I'm going to be using this one on my second pumpkin. And let me see, might need a hot glue gun if you decide to put any embellishments on it also. So let's get into it. What you're going to do is, you have 3 of them, right? This is so simple, but on the first one I had to go through like a trial and error for about 5 minutes because I wasn't doing no directions. I don't do directions, okay? I just try and wing it. But what you're going to do is, you're going to lay the first one down like this. This is how I made mine, okay? You're going to lay the first one down like this right here because you're going to have the middle part as the little stem. And what you're going to do with the second 2, when I first did mine, I did it like this, and I had them like on each side, both of them turned up like this. But no, that's where the trial and error came in. What you're going to have to do is turn it like this, turn them toward the bottom, like this right here, and it should look like this. You got your 1 at the top for the stem, and then your 2 at the bottom, because those are going to be bent in to make your stand, okay, for your pumpkin to stand up on, okay. So once you've got them laid to where it resembles a pumpkin, what you're going to do is you're going to measure out you some wire so you can attach these little parts together, okay. So if my first one, like I said, it was a trial and error for me, okay. But what I did was the first time I did it, I used too much wire, okay, because I had so much wire wrapped around it. But what you're going to do is you're going to cut you off some wire. You're going to take your wire, and it's going to be like needle and threading, okay? So you're going to go up here, which is the top, or wherever you choose to start, but you want to connect them together. So you're going to stick your little piece of wire in closest to the rim, okay? Closest to the rim. Just like this, see that? Just like that. And then you're going to take that one, and you're going to stick it into the other part that you're connecting to closest to the rim also, because that makes it much easier to connect them. Then you're going to pull it through like that. See, you pull it right on through like that, and then you have this part and you have this part. And then what I did was I twisted mine like this, and then I cut off any excess that I didn't need. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these parts together, and then I will come back and show you how they look. Okay, you guys, so I said I'll come back and show you the last one. So like I said, you take your wire and you put it through the hole closest to the rim like this, needle and thread it, and then you bring it back out like this. Then you have one on each side, and then you twist just like this, you guys. And then like I said, any excess left, you will use your wire cutters to clip it off. So I have wire right here at the top, on this side, each side of the little stem, and then I have wire down here at the little places that you're going to bend back, the little stems down here that you're going to bend back. So some people might put more wire on theirs to secure it, but I only did wire in 4 different places. So once you got your wire together, You're going to clip it where you want to clip it at. Like this right here. Okay. And you're going to bend down whatever little short piece is left. Kind of bend it over. And come up here and clip. It's right there. My son, he's listening to cartoons, you guys, in case y'all hear something. Alright, and then you're going to clip this one. And then that's it for the clipping and the wire, unless I said, like I said, if you want to go ahead and put some more wire on it to secure it. But with the little tiny pieces left, you can just bend those over like that. Alright, so everything is secure. See that? Everything is secure. So you have your stem. Yours should be looking like this, where you got your stem up here at the top and you have the 2 feet at the bottom, and everything is secure. That's how yours is supposed to be looking. Now, you done got everything secure. What you're going to do is you're going to flip her over like this, and then you're going to bend back the feet like this gently. Now, what I will say, if you want to bend these, if you want to take these off and just have your pumpkin where you can just hang it up by the stem, that is perfectly fine. You can do that also, because I thought about that too. So I might get another one of these and do that too, you know, where I can just hang it up. But you want to take your feet down here and you want to bend them gently in, like to you, where they can sit up, so you think they can sit up, and then you'll test it in a minute to see if that's good enough. But you do want to bend gently though. Alright, now we're going to test her and see if she needs to be, yeah, she needs to be bent a little bit more. So you just keep testing to where it will go up and sit level. Where you will have it sitting level. So scared I'm going to break this. Oh my goodness. And so you should have this right here. See that? See where it sits up? Y'all see that? How it's sitting up? So, let me turn this around and see what I need to do. Okay, I need to adjust this side a little bit. And you always adjust if you need to. Alright guys, once I get this adjusted, I will come back. Okay you guys, so after you got it to where it can stand up, it should look like this right here. Let me scoot it back some. It should look like this right here, okay? Got your stem in the front. See that stem right there? Got your stem in the front, and then you have your legs right here that is standing up on. So, next we're going to get to the fun part. We're finna go outside and spray paint this pumpkin. So, I'll meet you outside. Guys, I have finished painting my pumpkin to the color that I chose right here. And then for my embellishments, I didn't really want to do too much, but I decided to go ahead and put on some little twine for the handle, as you can see right there. And then I am going to be incorporating these flowers onto my pumpkin, and also I am going to be using my little welcome sign on my pumpkin. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and then I will come back and show you the finished look. See you in a minute. And I am back. So I have finished my little fall pumpkin right here. I have my twine on the handle, and then I decided to put some little flowers up here at the top. Then I have my welcome, my little galvanized welcome sign right there in the middle, and then I decided to put some more little flowers at the bottom. So yeah, you guys, that is it. It is complete. Thank you, Lord. I enjoyed doing this little DIY. I hope y'all try this. Like I said, it has been floating all over the internet, you guys. Some people go all out on these little pumpkins. I mean, they're really lavish looking, you know, when some people do them. I decided to keep it simple and on a budget, okay? But this is what I came out with, and I really do like it. And y'all seen the other one, but I will still put both of them in the picture at the end. So thank y'all for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. With that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.